Yo! What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to build 5 Lego toilets, except it's actually just 4 Lego toilets and 1 Lego urinal. If you do have recognized, but you probably have, these 2 are from the Lego McDonald's. That was my second video, so we're going like quite a while back with this, and the same with the toilet paper roll. So just really cool stuff. Yeah, so if you haven't seen me and my sister's Lego McDonald's video, definitely go check that out. This is from the container home. That's from my happy house. Like, I did a few adjustments to it, but that's from my happy house, basically. That I will be doing a tour on, and that's just a new toilet. So, I think we should start with the container home, and let's go. 2x3 is the minimalistic plate you're going to want to start with. You can put a jumper there, stack 2 bricks like that, get a little wheel piece, not tire, but a wheel. I guess that's like a 1x1 with a little bit of extraness, kind of like a minifigure sized head. Get a 3x3 dish. Disclaimer, it is a bit too large for a minifigure to use. You might want to start using with a 2x2, I think it is. That might be a bit too small, but at least it won't be too large. Get a snot brick and a brick on top and a square 2x2 tile or a circular like this one. Either works fine. Do what you do, and let's build this. Boom! Minimal of 1x4 plate, please, and then you can just stack 2 1x4 bricks, another 2x2 brick. You can just slap on a 2x2 plate that has a bit of curvature to it. 1x2 plate, 1x2 snot brick, slap on this tile that is also circular. It's 2x2, and another 2x2 brick. Pow! It's amazing! Okay, 1x6 plate is the minimalistic for this kind of neato toilet. That is what I said, isn't it? So let's just put this guy, just have him stand there. You want to put 2 jumpers, 1 stud away. Get a toilet bowl piece, as I guess that's kind of called. A nozzle piece. You can do something green or something naturistic for the outside if you want to get all creative. A nice stacked 2 1x2 bricks, or pre-stacked or not. Get some cheese slopes in clear, or you can get yellow, clear, or brown to, pee-poo, or just already assembled. I mean, not assembled, but you know what I mean. To fit the toilet you are trying to build. Telescope, 1x1 plate, and this headlight brick is already pre-stuck to this Technic tube that is a 1x1 by 1, and it's just too stuck. I can't get it off. I'm really sorry about that, but that is that toilet. And this, yes, is from me and my sister's Lego McDonald's. So let's build the one that is only a minimal of a 1x4. So, like I said, 1x4, jumper, another toilet bowl. Voila! Another telescope. I know, for some reason the Lego McDonald's used a lot of these telescopes. I'm the one that kind of designed the telescope things for some reason. I don't know why I did that, but that is what I did. You want to get a 1x1 snot brick, nozzle piece, inject that into this, I don't know what that is. I guess it's like a lifeguard. Yeah, lifeguard thing. Stick that on. Nice toilet seat. It's used a lot in many toilets. If you don't like how high it is, you can drop it. Although I think it kind of puts a little stress on this telescope. I think it kind of lifts it up and kind of doesn't. It's not exactly straight. So that's why I have this. But of course, it is your toilet. It is your toilet, and you can do what you need. I know I repeat myself. I didn't really know what to say. I also kind of guess want to just, I don't know. I was kind of confused there, I guess, and just gonna make my point by saying toilet twice for some reason. So let's build the urinal. I know this isn't toilet, but it counts enough, so that's why it's in this video. And I didn't just want to say how to build a urinal, because that just sounds weird, and no. I also wanted to get straight to the point of the stop motion video I'm doing after this, which will be, you forgot to flush. No, I didn't! Yes, sir. Well, I don't know if you'll be a character or not. Maybe you will. Whatever. 2 corners, 1 shelf piece. I'm sorry, I'm not really with it right now. Yeah, but anyways, a shelf, and let's kind of get this. So we want a 1x2 brick, 1x1 plate. Another 1x1 plate is probably what you're going to want to go for. You want an arch, and you want a T-slope facing this way. You want a 1x2 already pre-stacked or not. You can choose what you want to do. I just used the pre-stacked. It was pretty awesome. Get one of these 2x2 slopes, stack on underneath a 1x2 plate. Slap on the same as this, but kind of the opposite. I honestly think this kind of looks like a dryer. You know, where you dry your hands? Yeah, it's kind of weird. It's a weird thought. And yeah, anyways, you want to get a line stud or blue, you know, just to act as this thing that's in the urinals. Like, I don't know what they're called, but they keep it fresh, I guess. Sounds like a gross thought. Anyways, guys, I will see you in the next video. I can't wait. So, anyways, bye. Adios, amigos!